I'm going to show you how to assemble a wall end shelf. This particular one is a WES 0930, but they come in all different sizes. Just going to clip the ends. Be careful running across the top, not too deep. Don't want to scratch any cabinets. So after you open your box, as usual, make sure you inventory all the parts. In this particular one, we've got our two sides, we've got our top, and our three shelves, and our bag of screws. Now we're ready to assemble. The first thing we'll do is put together the two sides. Okay, so stand the two sides up, and remember, this cabinet is reversible. That means it can be a left side or it can be a right side. So this is called a wall end shelf, which means it goes at the end of a line of cabinets. So make sure that the measurement totals 12 inches on this side, because this is the side that goes against the cabinet. This side is the 9 inches. This is the length of the run that goes along the wall. You just make sure that we have the sides together nice and flush, and then we'll put the screws in. You just go down the whole side. There we go, just like that. And remember, this is the side that's going against the cabinets, and this side goes on the wall. Because this is a left end cabinet, this is our top, and we'll put the square piece at the top. It'll go up like this, and then the round shelves, we put one at the bottom, and then two more going up. Everything's pre-drilled. Just have to hold them, you know, so we get them nice and centered when we put the screws in. Okay, to put in the bottom shelf, just have it nice and flush on our surface there, and then they're all pre-drilled, so that makes it easy. Just like that. There's our bottom end. Nice and flush there, nice and flush there. Now we'll turn it upside down and put the top in. Make sure the finished edges are facing out, and we can do the same thing that we did to the other end down here. And one more screw, and that's it. Now we'll put in the shelves. So the shelves will go in here like this. Make sure they're centered on the screw hole, and then put the screws in. So to put the shelves in, you'll find it easier to just lay it down like this. Put the shelf in. Get it lined up so it's half and half. So when you're putting these screws in, keep your hand down a little bit, just in case you miss. Wouldn't want to screw your hand. That's not much fun. So then flip it over. Get it once again, eyeball it so you got half and half. Put the screw in, keep your hand away. And just like that. And then line it up with the back one. And we're ready to go. Put the last screw in for this shelf here. And just like that. Then we do the same thing for the last shelf. Line it up nice and even. Keep your hand away. There we are. And look at the inside one. You could also use a square inside there if you'd like to make sure it's right on. And then we're ready for the last one. There we go. So there's our wall and cabinet. This goes like this. This will go against the other cabinets that are already hanging on the wall. And that was it. Nice and easy.